Hi, welcome. I'm Louise Phillips Forbes, and today we have the privilege to visit a renowned piece of history, the Alwyn Court, 180 West 58th Street. The entire facade is an elaborate terracotta ornamentation, head to toe. Rarely available, 9D is one of the building's finest homes. It spans across the entire front of the building, and this spacious home has 2 sophisticated bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, and the living room, as you can see, is 30 feet by almost 18. And it's anchored by a beautiful, simple wood-burning fireplace. So when we talk about the canvas of your neighborhood, when you're home, what is at your fingertips? Carnegie Hall, MoMA, The Plaza, Columbus Circle, and of course, don't forget Central Park and Central Park South, all here waiting for you to come home. Thanks for joining us today at Alwyn Court, 180 West 58th Street, 9D. And again, I'm Louise Phillips Forbes, waiting for your call. Come see us.